Selamat Hari Raya Idul Fitri. Look at the stadium dome. It's quite colorful, bright. It's very nice. Nice. It's quite pretty. That's the National Stadium. Singapore National Stadium. It's quite colorful and it's very pretty. The rooftop and the dome of the National Stadium. It's quite nice. And lots of people doing some walk downstairs and cycling there. Quite nice. Okay. So, Selamat Hari Raya Idul Fitri to all Muslim all over the world. It's quite colorful. It's very pretty. That's it. Have a great day.